you heard the latest claim about a secret multinational F-16 squadron flying over Ukraine? Well, hold on, because it's not true. Reports circulating recently suggested that Ukrainian, American, and Dutch pilots were operating together in a covert unit defending Kyiv's skies. Sounds like something out of a movie, right? But the Ukrainian Air Force has officially denied these claims, calling them inaccurate and unsupported by any evidence. The story came from French outlet Intelligence Online, which alleged that veteran foreign pilots were already taking part in intercept missions against Russian cruise missiles and drones. But Ukrainian officials were quick to push back, saying the report offered no proof and labeling it unreliable. Yuri Ignat, the head of communications for the Ukrainian Air Force, even responded with a hint of humor, saying, "Yeah, and Tom Cruise led the squadron." So what's really happening in Ukraine's airspace? The Air Force stressed that there is no multinational combat formation operating in Ukraine. Instead, foreign support comes in the form of training, equipment transfers, and coordination with partner nations, not foreign pilots flying combat missions. Ukrainian aviation is fully handled by Ukrainian pilots who are actively engaged in defending cities and critical infrastructure. Recently, fighter aviation has ramped up its role in defending Ukrainian cities, especially in response to ongoing Russian missile and drone strikes. Western-supplied aircraft, including F-16s and Mirage jets, are now being used alongside Ukraine's existing fleet. During a large-scale Russian attack on the night of February 17th, Ukrainian pilots played a key role in intercepting incoming threats across multiple regions. Ignat explained that the attack involved a wide geography, with air raid alerts sounding throughout the country. Ukrainian aviation, particularly pilots flying F-16s and Mirages, contributed directly to intercept operations. According to him, a significant number of missiles were destroyed specifically by aviation forces. The Air Force reported that all cruise missiles launched during the attack, including Kh-101 and Iskander-K missiles, were successfully destroyed. They also intercepted one air-launched missile, though unfortunately 4 ballistic missiles aimed at eastern regions were not intercepted due to certain circumstances. Russian strikes mainly targeted critical infrastructure such as railway networks and energy facilities, continuing a pattern seen over recent months. This clarification comes amid increased scrutiny of Ukraine's air defense, especially after President Volodymyr Zelensky expressed frustration over the pace and effectiveness of efforts to protect cities and infrastructure from missile and drone attacks. Since then, Ukrainian aviation has taken a more visible role in intercept missions, particularly against Iranian-designed Shahed drones used by Russian forces. The introduction of Western fighter jets into Ukrainian service adds an important layer to the country's layered air defense system, which includes ground-based missile defenses and electronic warfare capabilities. But one thing is clear: foreign personnel are not flying combat missions inside Ukraine, contrary to the claims made in that viral report. The Ukrainian Air Force remains fully in control of its skies, continuing to adapt and respond to ongoing threats. Their pilots are on the front lines every day, defending cities and infrastructure from high-tech missiles and drones, using a combination of legacy aircraft and advanced Western fighters. Stay informed, because the situation in Ukraine's airspace continues to evolve, and every detail matters. Make sure you subscribe for more updates and comment below to show your opinion on these latest developments.